Helsinki!
Welcome to Helsinki, Finland. So Helsinki has some of the cleanest tap water in the world apparently. For 6 weeks in the winter the sun never rises in Helsinki. Before independence in 1917, Finland was ruled by the Swedish and then the Russian. It is the second most northerly capital in the world after Reykjavik in Iceland, and therefore is also home to the world's most northern metro system. It is the 7th most expensive capital city to live in Europe, and it has saunas everywhere.
Right, so we're in Helsinki, our 7th country of this summer holiday. And we're going to head to Senate Square, the main part of the city. Senate Square with Helsinki Cathedral. That looks like a grand building. So there's a concert going to start very soon, so we can't dally. There's no sightseeing. This is the impressive view of Senate Square. This is where people gather on New Year's Eve, and you see the fireworks going off everywhere. The bells of Helsinki. And in the middle of Senate Square, a statue of Tsar Alexander II. And I think he was known as the good Tsar. They didn't like his son, Nicholas, very much, but they liked him. That's why I think it's been kept.
Frame everything for you. I literally say, come and hold the phone here. All you have to do is take the picture and you'll move it. And the other thing is, you'll then turn it and you'll take a landscape picture, which I'm not interested in, but the landscape picture is the best picture you'll take.
Happy with any of them? Yeah, you are. Were you? Tick for my photography skills. Right, we're saying goodbye to Senate Square and the cathedral. I'm going to walk now to the Uspenski Cathedral.
Like if someone said Helsinki to you, that's exactly what you imagine in your head there.
That view?
Yeah.
With that boat? And look at all these padlocks. Yvonne and Danica, 2005. Wow. I wonder if they're still together. So your first impressions of this cathedral?
That's impressive.
So it's Eastern Orthodox.
I really like Orthodox.
Do you want to see something beautiful?
Yeah.
Inside the cathedral. Here we are. Right, we're going to walk along to Market Square, passing the old accordion player, playing his little tune.
One of the reindeer mix and one salmon soup.
One salmon soup and reindeer mix.
Yeah.
For the reindeer mix, we don't have the patty, the steak, but I recommend you to take number 5.
Right, let's try reindeer sausage.
Nice.
Just a hot dog.
Can I try your sauce? Yeah, just like a hot dog.
So this is the old market hall from 1889. Let's have a look inside. So it mainly seems to be like food and
This isn't what I was expecting.
cafes. No.
It's more like a food court.
Yeah. So now, for my benefit, we're going to head and see a nude woman. So the sun has come out in Helsinki.
Yeah.
And we're going to head to the Chapel
Of silence.
of Silence. So this is not the chapel. The chapel's actually that building there, which we're going to go to in a second. It's actually easy to climb up than I thought. This is good, isn't it? I don't know what it is. Right, to the chapel. So the outside doesn't look that special, does it? But it's won architectural awards for its innovative design. €5 to go in.
I've seen pictures of it inside, not that bollywig one inside, are you?
No, we'll show you some pictures now. What it looks like on the inside. I hope you can hear me over the noise from this like roadworks, but this is the Parliament building. So this is where all the laws and the history of the country has come from. It's huge. But listen, we need to go to a library now, not to look at any books, but to go to the top floor to get a good view of Helsinki, apparently.
How tall is it? How many floors?
No idea. So apparently this is the library that we're going to. Nice Helsinki sign there. This is a cool library. Not normal. Here we are. Look, you can get games in this library. Every board game you can think of, including Garuba. This is the coolest library I've ever been in. Well, it's not the greatest of views from this angle, is it? Maybe we can go inside and get it from a different side. There you go. Train station. I don't think it was worth the view, do you? No. Good library though. So this is the train station, but we're going to go into the metro to see a monument that when it was first unveiled in the 60s, it caused a bit of controversy. We've realised we're actually not getting a metro, we're getting a tram. But we've actually found the right tram stop. This is going to be fraught with disaster. Abort, abort, we're in the wrong bit, wrong side, and there's a tram coming. But this is not ours. Good job I'm on the ball.
Is that the right one?
Oh, I don't know now, I'm getting confused. Are we in the right train? Who knows? No, we're going the wrong way.
Yeah, we're on the right side.
We're on the wrong. We got on the wrong one. Guys, it's your fault.
It's not. It's your fault because you were on the right one and you were like, "Oh no, we're going that way." Actually, no, we're going that way, which is the wrong way.
Look, we need to get off. Oops. Selena's taking charge now. I've been relegated to co-pilot. See if you can spot the bloke who is just not moving.
Yeah, it's not.
But he is just standing there. Is he a mannequin? Or is he some sort of like bodyguard? Has he moved? He's not moving any muscle at all, is he? Oh my god. He's still standing there. This is like a few minutes later. He hasn't moved, and we're not joking. He's not moving, is he? Look. Do you reckon he's a statue? I think it could be I reckon he's a statue. Like a mannequin. Really good one though. It's gotta be.
It's not. It's a real man.
Well, let's see if he moves now with the train. Is he going to be there? He's moving. I can see him behind the train. He's getting on it. Look, there he is through the window. Can you see? He is no more. Take two. I'm just wondering about this machine here. Do we need to do anything with our tickets? Do we need to scan something? Not sure. So we're just going to leave it, see what happens. Well, we had a bit of an issue getting off the train because it stopped.
Getting on it.
Because the doors just didn't open and there's a red button, and to me red button means like emergency or stop. So we didn't know what to do. The driver was looking at me, I could see in the mirror, and then there was a woman sitting there and she pressed the red button for us. So here it is, the Sibelius Monument, named after a famous Swedish composer. And it was unveiled in 1967. People were like, well, what is it? What's it meant to be? It was the first piece of abstract art, I think, in Helsinki. Eventually they thought, let's put this guy, Sibelius, and say it's a monument to him. And people went, oh, okay, now we like it now. So it consists of more than 600 hollow steel pipes welded together in a wave-like pattern. And if you were to pick it up, it would weigh 24 tons. So, verdict?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
So it was worth coming?
Yeah, I think it was worth it.
So that's it. Helsinki done. Tomorrow we fly to another city, which is
London.
London. See you there. Country number 8.